Sheesh, you know what they say, the real work starts when the deer's on the ground. Freaking tractor won't start. Well, I'm glad the camera was rolling for that. Holy cow, guys. So I came out, today's Tuesday, the 7th, and I came out here to Comal County this morning to hunt. And I was over at another blind of ours, and I didn't see anything. The feeder was totally out of corn, so I figured, you know what, I'll drive around to the other feeders. It's been a little while since we checked the game cameras, and so I better just drive by to see what's around, what's kicking. And as I'm leaving one of our feeders, I see out of the corner of my eye, about 100 yards away, a pretty nice buck sticking his head out of some brush. So I throw my vehicle in park, and I grab my gun and I shot him, and he went down. And so I'm gonna give him a little bit, because it literally just happened 2 minutes ago, and then we're gonna go check it out and see this buck I just shot. Okay. Not a bad deer. The only place I could shoot him was right in the neck. I hope his neck holds together. I think I'm just gonna gut him right here. There's a stump right there, so maybe that'll be a good viewing angle. Okay, I didn't have a new blade for this knife, but I did find another knife that's maybe a little bit sharper. This one's pretty dull. So we'll get it done with these two knives here. All right, wasn't pretty, but we got it done. I'm gonna go get the truck, see if we can load them up. All right, guys, so I've got the deer field dressed. So now I gotta load him in the back of this Suburban. And as you can see, I've got a lot of junk back here. We just came back from a hunting trip, so I've got to clear some of this stuff out so I can fit him in here. I think I'm gonna cut these bags and like sort of lay them out like a carpet, so that way I don't get blood in the carpet of my truck. Not that like I care about it getting stained or anything, but just because it's, you know, if it gets in there too much of it, it'll start to stink. So it's easier just to spend the time now. And sheesh, you know what they say, the real work starts when the deer's on the ground. So it's going to be a busy morning for me, but nice deer and worth it. Okay, let's see if we can squeeze them in here. All right, that'll work. I got my pants and my good boots all bloody, so might have to stop in at Cavender's after this deer, but I'm gonna get the rest loaded up, head home. So we'll see you there. So excited, almost forgot to tag him. So let's show you guys what that looks like. All right, here's my hunting license. So here's a antlerless only. There's another antlerless only. Here's the tag we want. Buck or antlerless. Cut out tag date. So basically, I'm just gonna I'm gonna tear this tag out. So there's my tag. Here on the back, you can see months along the sides and then days along the top and bottom. So basically, I just like to make a cut like this. So today's December. So you just cut December out. You can peel that out. So there's December, and then today's the 7th. So I'm gonna cut the 7th and peel that out. All right, so there's my tag. And then I've got a pin here. It says print name of place where killed in ink, ranch, wildlife area, etc. So this is the Pondermeal Ranch. And then county is Comal. So that's my tag. And then all I gotta do is find something. You gotta secure this to the body of the animal. I got some electrical tape here somewhere. Let me see. Zip ties would work too. I could have sworn I had zip ties somewhere. Oh, somewhere. Here we go. So I got a zip tie. And it's a little zip tie, so we might have to get a little more creative about how we attach this. Usually I'd zip tie it to the antler, something like that. Proof of sex has to be with the body of the animal, but since this is a teensy zip tie, I think this is what I'm going to do here. So I'm just going to cut this tendon out. And I'm gonna loop this zip tie through. I hate messing with the back legs because they always stink so bad, but it's necessary. So the tag has a little pre-cut hole on it, so you just zip tie it on there, and there we go. There's my tag. It's all filled out. It's on the body of the animal. It's not removable. And now we're gonna go home.